So I'll quickly show you how to connect the Rigol DS1054Z to PC and acquire the data. First, you take one Ethernet cable. Most of the Ethernet cable that you find around are straight cable, and this is the color marking. You notice that it starts with the white, orange, and then white, green, and so that's how it goes on. We need to make it to a crossover cable. So for making crossover cable, you make a slit in the jacket, remove the yellow jacket or blue jacket, whatever you have over your cable. Take out these four wires which you need to cut: the white, orange, and white, green, and green. These four wires only need to cut. The other wires need not be touched. So those four wires you cut. To make crossover cable, this is the standard for the straight cable. So you have the B and the other end also B. But for making the crossover cable, you need to have one end as B and the another end as A. And if you can see, the difference between them is the white orange is replaced with white green, orange is replaced with green, white green is replaced with white orange, and here the green is replaced with orange. Everything else, the other four wire remains same, so which we have left them untouched. So accordingly, you make this connection, you connect from here to here, and so what is mentioned here, you do the shouldering, and the shouldering is quite okay for such kind of slow connection. So we are not going to access like gigabits of data from the laptop or across the laptop and the oscilloscope. Put some heat shrink sleeve on it. Once shouldering is done, put some heat and then solder it. This is how it will look like. Connect the cable. Once your cable is done, connect it to the oscilloscope. You can see the model number and connect the other end to your laptop, and make the setup as auto IP. Do not keep DHCP, keep it as auto IP. You can also select static IP and give some IP address, but I just selected auto IP, and it will automatically take one IP number. So you get this IP number. Next, what you have to do is you have to install this on the Python, this particular module DS1054Z, and it works only on Python 2.7. Python 3 onwards it's not available, so you have to take care of that. Once that particular module is installed, you will get a success like this message. Create a file which uses this particular module, and from this query this IP number that you have got from the oscilloscope. Once everything is fine, you will get something over here, and this basically proves that your communication is working, and later on you can extend it to do all your other tasks. So that's all.